First impression of Hanoi is that it's very busy. Hi guys, we're gonna have our first banh mi here. Banh mi vui. Voila, here we have the baguette, the famous banh mi. Can't wait to try one of those. Tables are ready. This is a tour agency. Coffee. Look at this building. Ooh, what are eggs white pate, egg white pate, mixed egg with pate. I guess they're gonna have a menu inside. This is for the baguette. Hello. Hello. Oh, it's a nice restaurant. Okay, yes, fine. Yeah. Yeah, look, nice table. This I guess is the house of the bears, for the people. Oh, she's preparing.
Barbecue and chicken.
Oh, it's good. I'm hungry. She's preparing the sandwich. The toast in the bread. Oh. There is the omelette. Can't wait to try it.
On a monopolisé le...
I think there's ketchup and mayonnaise inside. Wow. It's very good.
Roberto, you didn't take anything? No? You didn't take anything?
No. Here there is there's pork, egg. I don't know what else. Cucumber, I asked not, but.
Je suis sûr que tu vas avoir la moitié.
First impression of Hanoi is that it's very busy. Very cool, nice bar here. Very nice bar. We have a cathedral just to my right. We're going to see it now. Let's have a look inside. It's a Christian church. So first of all, let's see how is the church here. This is a small model, so you can have an idea. You look a bit Notre Dame, no? And now let's go to see the church. It's a cathedral. Let's go to check the back of the church now. Oh, they do some work there behind. You can hear the noise. The gate is closed, so we need to go back. Let's go down this road now, if we don't get run over. Hello. Eating a monk.
It's a monk.
Ah. We are inside a temple in Hanoi. It's a temple close to the cathedral. Oh, here is a monk. Oh, nice food. Hello. Bello posto. A very nice place. It's time to find some local place for lunch. I want to know what she's selling.
Một gói là của đó là 2 bên lít thử đi. Dạ, giá con sợi đó. Rồi cái này là 5.
Is it potato?
Đấy cho mấy gói một gói thôi. Sao vàng vài gói mà ăn ngon không?
Oh, she's gonna open it. I want to see what's inside. Oh no. Oh, okay. Oh, is this one inside?
It's a young rice.
A young rice. Okay.
It's a specialty here.
Yeah.
Come sticker eye.
Không bảo gì đấy.
Young đó.
Hỏi là cái này là cái gì? Dạ. Cho mình nói gì đó.
Ah, there. Ah, okay. Can I get one, please? One. It's 10,000, eh?
Yeah, so
How much is it?
it's 50,000 which is the
Oh,
the other
no.
one.
No.
This one here.
This one, okay. Perfecto. Thank you.
Enjoy your stay.
Oh, thank you very much. Got it. It's a young rice, the traditional dish. Just next to the area, the church. Where was the church? Just next to the area of Old Quarter, Hanoi, is this lake. This is very nice.
Cứ đẩy hết rồi.
Oh, that guy.
Hôm nay anh chụp ảnh là con là cạn kho không còn
It is me Vietnamese.
C'est ce que j'ai dit, Guillaume. T'as quoi? J'ai dit, tu passes et tu dis đẹp gái, đẹp gái.
Hi guys, just next to the Old Quarter there is a very famous bridge. We got our ticket.
Chúng mà đi vòng vòng mình chơi đi.
Hello.
Thank you.
Thank you. There's a lake. To cross this lake, we cross this beautiful bridge. I'm not sure if it's the ticket. It's just to cross the bridge, or it's for a temple after the bridge. The old quarter is just behind those trees and those buildings.
Cerca la tartaruga sinistra.
Cerca la tartaruga sinistra. I need to look for the turtles on the left. So yes, the ticket He wants to go inside the temple. This to go inside the temple. Oh, here. Found it. I found it.
Non, c'est pas ça, skeleton.
You said turtles.
Tu vas dire skeleton.
Okay.
Em cầm cái ống của ông Phát, nó bảo cái đấy của ông Phát đấy.
I love these two bonsai on the front. Oh, all the incense. And there is a nice garden all around. We found the main attraction of the place. It's a turtles. Wow, it's huge.
Very.
What is a bit strange for me but is the people praying. The face is a bit different. And on this one, the feet are real.
Ở vị trí trước đuôi, dưới bụng máu rùa. Đuôi rùa là cái này.
And the turtles
Chân rùa.
have been found on this lake. Let's go around the temple now. Temple, yes, temple. Oh, there's a little bar. Sell out the juice. It's a small island beside the lake.
Patrick.
Lake Okiam. Lake Okiam. Right? Lake Okiam. This is a very interesting building. There are a lot of pot plants. It would be nice to know the regulation behind that. Cooking barbecue down there. Hi guys, we're looking for a place for lunch now. The beeping of the car here is usual and traditional. I just need to look the road because I don't want to get run over.